one of the best ways to become a better speaker is to learn from other people. Every time you get the opportunity to watch another speaker in action, do it. Whether that's live, maybe just in a meeting room or in a conference hall, or whether it's recorded. Go and have a look at the TED.com archive, for example. Watch the speaker. Think about, what do I like about what they're doing? What do I dislike about what they're doing? Particularly if you're watching them live. How well are they engaging with the audience? How relevant does this presentation seem to you? I'd say particularly if you find yourself doing that thing halfway through a presentation or something, going, what were they saying? Where am I? What was it that made you drift off? Is it because perhaps they were droning? Perhaps their content wasn't relevant to you or your role? Or perhaps it was just, they were just going on and repeating their message and not really getting anywhere. And it was just one great long stream of consciousness that really didn't have any great structure to it. And here's another boring slide. It's enough to send anybody to sleep, isn't it? So watch other speakers and think, what do I like about what they're doing? What are they doing well? Critique them. But also think, what could I do differently? How would I change what they're doing? And it's not that you're going to copy them, but I think you absolutely can set out to emulate them. You can take what's great about the way they present and bring that into the way you present. Now, we all present differently. We all have our own personal presentation style, and that's exactly how it should be. You should not set out to copy someone else. I do have people who come to me and say, Steve, can you coach me how to speak like you? I'm like, no, I can't. I can teach you how to speak like you, to find your presentation style. Everybody's presentation style is different. Some people are big and loud, energetic, and some people are very still and quiet. And that can be just as impactful as the high energy. So watch other speakers. Think, what do I like? What do I dislike? What could I emulate? I think the other way you can learn from other speakers is perhaps ask them to mentor you. Not all speakers will do it. I will often have one or two mentees on the go at once. Depends on how much time I've got in my diary. But if I can, I'm always happy to help other speakers to get better. Ask them if they'll watch you, particularly if you are speaking at the same event, give you feedback. Look at the speakers you love, the ones who you think, oh, I really want to be like them. Talk to them, see if they'll give you a few minutes of their time. They might say no, and you have to respect that. They may be really busy. They may have other mentees. But it can be a great way to learn from other people. And it really is one of the best ways to become a better presenter. It isn't just you on stage, it's watching other people on stage. If you want more tips on how to be a better presenter, do like and subscribe.